The problem is we're going from this cover that refuses to stay closed, whether it's a latch problem or whatever. We're going from this in a matter of minutes to this. This is the perfect result we're aiming for. And the problem we have oftentimes is the cover itself is molded plastic, and then the inside of the gas area is metal. So we want to try to build a protrusion of some sort, and that's going to take more trouble than it's worth. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use disc magnets to stack up. And it doesn't matter if you don't have anything magnetic metal for backing on either side, because you can use a magnetic tape piece using adhesive. I highly recommend JB Weld. See the link below. And using JB Weld to anchor that tape. And you can also use that JB Weld to dash in between each one of those disc magnets to make sure that they stay conformed and in order and stuff like that. But the next part of the problem is, where do you put the magnets? And with plastic or metal, just find yourself a good anchor point and someplace on the corresponding gas cap cover that you can attach your adhesive backed magnetic tape to. And then it's just a matter of lining them up, making sure you've got enough of a protrusion so that the magnets make contact. And you can shim that up using thinner magnets or magnetic tape, as I said, and both sides will conform. So the trick is get those lined up, and then you close that cover and it looks sweeter than ever. You can put some sort of a little latch or little pull tab or something to open it up, whatever works for you. I like a smooth look. I didn't want to worry about it. So that's the finished product right here.